This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Topic is finite difference operators under the subject Engineering Mathematics 3. In this presentation, we will discuss finite difference operators, delta, del, and small delta. We require the set of points x0, x1, x2 so on up to xn such that xi points are equispace, that is, the difference between any two consecutive points is always same. So the difference between x1 minus x0 is same as that of x2 minus x1 is same as that of x3 minus x2 and so on. Let us say this difference is h. So let h be x1 minus x0, that is same as x2 minus x1 and so on up to xn minus 1. And let y be f of x, so yi be f of xi. So with this initial setup, we will define these difference operators. The forward difference operator delta is defined as del of fx equal to f of x plus h minus fx. Let us define delta y0. Y0 is f of x0. So delta y0 is delta of f of x0. So it is f of x0 plus h minus f of x0. As the points are equispace, x0 plus h is nothing but x1. So delta y0 becomes f of x1 minus f of x0. F of x1 is y1, f of x0 is y0. So delta y0 is y1 minus y0. Similarly, delta y1 is y2 minus y1, delta y3 is y4 minus y3, etc. The second order forward difference of fx can be defined as delta square of fx is delta operating on delta fx. For example, delta square y0 is y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Similarly, we can define other higher order forward differences for the function fx. The backward difference operator del is defined as del of fx equal to fx minus f of x minus h. So del y1 is del of f of x1. So it is f of x1 minus f of x1 minus h. As the points are equispace, x1 minus h is nothing but x0. So del y1 becomes f of x1 minus f of x0, which is y1 minus y0. Similarly, del y2 is y2 minus y1, del y3 is y4 minus y3, etc. Note that delta y0 is same as del y1, which is equal to y1 minus y0. The central difference operator small delta is defined as delta of fx equal to f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. So delta y1 by 2 is y1 minus y0, which is same as delta y0, which is same as del y1. Let us have a look on one example. Here we have proved that the operator delta del is same as del operating on delta. So here we consider a function fx, and then we calculate delta del operating on fx, so which comes out to be f of x plus h minus 2fx plus f of x minus h, and then we calculate delta operating on fx, which is also same as this expression, and so we have the equality delta del is same as del delta.